How to recover Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can recover your Instagram account. So recovering your Instagram account varies and it depends on the specific situation that you're facing. Okay, so if you're Instagram account you violate community to the app. Alright, if your Instagram account was disabled, pick the go to just click on that. Explain your situation, hope for a positive depending on the graffiti or the guideline that was violated. All right, so that is one way. And then the second way is if your Instagram account was deleted. Now, one thing was noticed that if your Instagram account was deleted by you, you cannot recover it. All right, Instagram does not allow you to recover it. The only thing you can do is that you can create another account, but with another username. You cannot make use of the username that you've used before, or it might not be available for you to use it. All right, but you'd have to create another account. You cannot recover it. So these are the two ways majorly. Okay, yeah. So and then if your account was hacked, your major thing you can do is that you can regain access through a code that would be sent to your phone, and then you can also report the hack to Instagram and request assistance in recovering your account. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.